Hey everyone, keeping your iPhone updated is super important for security, performance, and cool new features. But don't worry, it's quick and easy. Let me show you how in just a few steps. Let's go. First, make sure your iPhone can run the latest iOS version. If your phone is an iPhone 8 or newer, you're good to go. Before updating, always back up your data. Head to Settings, Your Name, iCloud Backup, and then tap Backup Now. This keeps your files safe in case anything goes wrong. Next, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure your battery is at least 50% charged, or just keep it plugged in. Now go to Settings, General, then Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee while your phone updates. Once done, your iPhone will restart with the latest iOS. Enjoy the new features and security updates. And that's it. Quick and easy, right? Hit the like if this helped, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.